Senior Moments is brought to you in part by Rogers City Rehabilitation Hospital, Hillman's Haven, Alpena Cab, and Alpena Medical Arts.
Hypertension, or the medical term that denotes high blood pressure, is an extremely common condition. That's according to Alpena Medical Arts physician Dr. Christy Werth. Werth has been practicing in Alpena for 7 years and says hypertension is a condition she sees during a majority of her day.
It's a very common thing. It has to do a lot with lifestyle. It has to do with age also. Basically what it means is a blood pressure with a top or systolic number of greater than 140 and a bottom or diastolic number of greater than 90 on 2 or more occasions.
And while anybody can be affected by hypertension, Werth says the risk of being diagnosed does increase as we age.
For women is about 30%, and for men about 25%, just in the general population. But once people hit the older age, over age 60, blood pressure rates increase to 50 to 65% for men and 65 to 80% for women.
A normal blood pressure is considered less than 120 on the top and 70 on the bottom. But Werth says there is a condition called prehypertension.
There can also be a category called prehypertension where people are above normal but not quite diagnosed with hypertension yet, and that's between 120 and 139 on the top and between 70 and 89 on the bottom.
Like some other medical conditions, hypertension is a disease that is affected by someone's lifestyle. But Dr. Werth says that there is a certain type of hypertension where the exact cause is unknown.
Most people have what we call primary hypertension, and that means that we don't know the cause of it. There are certain risk factors for it, such as a family history, high salt intake, type A personality. There can be a category called secondary hypertension, which is only a small minority of the cases.
Hypertension is a condition that can lead to other, perhaps more serious medical issues. So Werth says the best thing to do is to see your doctor on an annual basis so you can receive a yearly screening. Stay tuned to WBKB next Thursday for Senior Moments, where we will hear more about prevention and treatments available for hypertension.
Senior Moments has been brought to you by Thunder Bay Therapy, ARMC Orthopedic Associates, Lafarge, Alpena Senior Citizen Center, and Lincoln Haven. Senior Moments, Thursdays at 6 and 11.